Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A36, and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this device. So, to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. Now, for this, I'll be using the home screen as an example. Now, it's already open and visible on my screen, so I don't need to do much. But in your case, just make sure that whatever you want to capture is right now open and visible on the screen itself. When it is, then hold the power button and volume down at the same time. You get this pop-up right here with a scroll capture and share options visible, and after a moment it will disappear. Now, if you noticed, the scroll capture was grayed out. And the reason for that is there is nothing here to scroll down on. And oddly enough, technically there is. If I do this, it brings up the apps, but that doesn't really count. But once apps are open, the app trade specifically, I can scroll down on it, and I could capture a long version of the screenshot. There we go. And you can see it captures a longer version of the same image. So capturing the entirety of it, from top to bottom. Now we can save this just as a showcase. Anyway, once you capture your screenshot, you can find it by going into your Photos application. Something went wrong. Wait. Oh, that's a video. Wow, I just got debated. Okay. Anyway. So in here, let's just move to the location where you'd usually be in, which is the Photos tab. So from the Photos tab, you will want to navigate to Collections, and in Collections, you'll find one called Screenshots. And in here, you can find the screenshots that we captured along with screen recordings. That's why there was a video playing with something went wrong. So you can see this is the long version of a screenshot. If I zoom it in to fill the screen, you can see I can basically scroll down on it. And here's the normal one. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.